Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Dextromethorphan, a common cough suppressant, can act as a mild stimulant on your nervous system at higher doses. Meanwhile, pseudoephedrine, often found in cough syrups, boosts heart rate and alertness by stimulating the cardiovascular system. This is why some people feel energized or jittery after taking certain cough medicines.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.